Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a collaboration video. This is the hashtag Friday Fave paper pad hosted by Helen, who is Cosmo's Crafty Mom here on YouTube. And it's a collaboration where you share one of your favorite paper pads with everyone. It doesn't have to be new, it can be new. It can be used, unused, whatever, just your favorite paper pad at that moment. So let's get started. So today I like to share my 6x6 paper pad by Mintay, and this is Urban Jungle. And I like how Mintay say their papers are for passionate paper crafters. So this is 6x6, as I said. It is 24 double-sided printed sheets. I think it's 4 designs of each. So let's get started. So first off, I love how their cover always offers cut aparts that you can use. So those are the cut aparts. And then here is the really pretty paper pad. And it's double-sided. It has that wood piece there. But look how beautiful they are. And it has this really pretty turquoise color. And then how unique is that with the baskets, and then it's almost like a charger. No, placemat maybe. And then look at these pages. It's really pretty floral. And then the leaves, or the prawns or fawns, whatever. And then this honeycomb wood. That's really pretty. And then these little smart color parts. And then on the back of the cutter parts, there's some more cutter parts. Look at that seam. Wouldn't you like to be there? And I think we're starting over. But this is a really gorgeous paper pad. The papers are just so beautiful. I love Mintay and their designs. They're just very luscious greenery and awesome to work with. Very heavy cardstock. And I do believe the back page, yeah, is also a page you can use for the cut aparts. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you today. This is Mintay's Papers for passionate paper crafters, and this one's called Urban Jungle. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested, please check out the other crafters here who are on the hashtag Friday Fave paper pad collab hosted by Helen, who is Cosmo's Crafty Mom. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.